Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is late because my box actually was lost on my mail room, and they did find my BoxyCharm Premium, but my base box is still missing. So let's hope that they find. If they find, that video also is gonna come up, but it's gonna be a little late, so let's fingers crossed. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. Here we do everything beauty, kind of lifestyle video, makeup, hair, skincare, reviews, hauls, fashion hauls, you name it, a little bit of everything pretty much. If it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to join the family, subscribe, stay, don't forget to like this video. So we're going to be trying on some of August BoxyCharm Premium, and if you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty box subscription, and they have different boxes. They have the base box that's $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, sometimes up to $125. Worth it for a $25 box, definitely worth it. And the premium box is $35 a month, and you get up to $175 or more worth in product, 6 full-size product, and they have amazing brands in BoxyCharm. And one thing that I love about BoxyCharm is I always get to try new brands and try new products, and that's definitely a good thing, right? And we always have good goodies for our makeup collection, skincare, and now they also have like a quarter box. They have a box of locks, box pop-up, where every quarter of the year you get a box. That box is big and full of amazing things. The link for BoxyCharm is gonna be in the description of this video if you decide to give it a try or just check them out. So let's dig into this box, talk about each one of the product. I'm gonna put it on my side here. I'm trying each one of the product because I did try them. The first product here is one of my favorites that I was hoping for because I was really looking forward to try that, and this is the Fenty Beauty What Is It Makeup Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. A super, and here you got here, take out of the box. Here is the setting spray, a super fine hydrating mist that can be used under makeup for foundation prep or over makeup to instantaneously revitalize and refresh skin throughout the day. And this mist is so amazing, it's so light. I did use under my foundation and after my makeup to set in place, and it's so refreshing, so cool. I'm so happy with this. Really thumbs up, girl. Alright, so this was product number 1 in August BoxyCharm Premium, and product number 2 is gonna be this Vesca Beauty Kissed by Soft Matte Bronze Powder, and this bronzer is beautiful. I'm using today and give you such a beautiful matte shade. It's really pretty, and I actually used all over my face to darken a little bit of a foundation that I was trying and was a little too light, and give me this beautiful complexion. Look how beautiful this blush is. And I love about this blush is it's not orangey or chalky. It's actually have a gorgeous consistency to the touch. When you touch, it's almost like a, I would say it's a powder, but it's very fine powder that's almost giving me the feel when you touch from powder to cream, but it's not. It's just really well made and very beautiful. So yeah, and this beauty here is Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzer Powder. Is a velvet smooth bronzer delivering coverage, sun-kissed warmth to the face and body with an accent that will transport you to your dreamiest destination. Give all skin tones a healthy glow with an ultra blendable formula, and leave the skin soft matte like finish. Available in 7 shades, and this beauty retails for $30. And I forgot to mention the setting spray for Fenty Beauty also retails $30. So the next product here is gonna be Malibu Sea Mineral Mist, a balance and soothe skin with a supercharged toning mist. OC Berry blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone. Well, the minerals work in the magic with a cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin, and this retails for $38. This mist is amazing. I love this mist. I love to sometimes when before skincare I like to apply a mist, just so my skin can suck in some extra hydration. And I also like, after I apply all my skincare, I like to apply a mist that just help the skin suck all the product in and make your stuff absorb better. So I love this, and I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. This retails for $38, great price. And our next product here is gonna be Grown Alchemist Age Repair Gel Mask. Okay, that is the mask over here, and I have out of the box. And that is the mask, what it look like. This anti-aging facial mask revitalizes the skin while delivering a cooling sensation. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin hydrates so skin looks plump, healthier, smoother. Phytopeptides, amino acid, and the antioxidant in pomegranate and green tea defends against pollution and environmental aggressor, leading to oxidation and the loss of collagen and elastin. The bioactive botanical blend clear skin while calming irritation for a rejuvenated complexion with brightening glow skin. Yes, girl, set me. I love these. You guys can see it's already bent a little bit out of shape because I did use these like 2 times already since I got my box. So I'm gonna put this beauty down, and this mask retails for a whooped of $79. Okay, my skin is feeling fancy. But it's amazing skin. Skin feels amazing with this on. Our next product here is gonna be Earth Harbor Naturals Sunshine Dewy Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. Oh my god, I have to tell you guys. You guys know that I am like a skincare fanatic, right? And this cleansing oil is amazing. I have here out of the box because I also use this. You're gonna guys see how it performs. It's amazing. It's just so soft on your skin, so gentle. You just apply all over your skin and massage and then wipe it off. It's amazing. It's so gentle. I love it. So sweet tropical sunshine with a silky dewy drops cells smoothly across your face, removing impurity, pollution, and makeup. Antioxidant rich oil infused with sea kelp and papaya enzymes arose your sense while cleansing and softening complexion. It's rinse completely clean water, no tugging, no scrubbing, no grease fillings, just the effortless oil massage and rinse, leave skin fresh, hydrating, bright. Yeah, it just leave skin looking beautiful after you use. I really love these. Fabulous. I'm looking forward to dry these bottles. There. Alright, and that oil retails for $24, which is amazing price because all that you need is literally, all that I need was 3 drops. I put it like a drop here, and drop on my forehead and massage everything. That's all. So that is a great price for amazing product. Our next thing here is gonna be Reusable Beauty Face Disc. This is the disc and this is the brand, and this is the black one that's still wet because I use for cleanse the oil out of my skin, and it's amazing. I really enjoy this. It's very nice way to clean soft, even though they have the other 2 discs. Let me read a little bit about for you guys. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. Contribute towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has a soft push fiber that will gently remove impurity. It's versatile and it means you can be used for different types of application. And this retails for $24 for the 3 discs, which is a great price. It's very nice product. I really enjoy washing my face with this. The white one, the white disc, is for remove makeup. The gray one's for apply toner and serum, and the black ones for you wash your face. That was the last product in this August BoxyCharm Premium. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comment below if you guys have any question about any of thing or about BoxyCharm, and I will answer the best I can. I see you guys next video.